Most men believe attraction is about looks or money, but they're wrong. Women are wired for deep emotional connections, and when you master this, she won't be able to stop thinking about you. In this video, I'll reveal the psychology behind attraction and how to create the emotional connection women crave. Building a deep emotional connection with a woman isn't about overwhelming her with affection or trying to impress her with extravagant gestures. It's about creating a dynamic where she feels naturally drawn to you, where her emotions become entangled with your presence. Women are not attracted solely to looks or money. They are drawn to a man who can make them feel something: excitement, curiosity, challenge, and desire. Understanding this principle changes everything. The first crucial element of emotional connection is sexual tension. Without it, you risk being seen as just a friend. The way to build this is through playful teasing, flirtation, and maintaining strong eye contact. Subtle, well-timed touches, a confident smirk, or even a comment like, "You're trouble, aren't you?" can create an electrifying charge between you. Women respond to energy, and when you give off a sense of assured teasing them lightly, it makes the interaction more dynamic. They begin to see you as someone who gets it, someone they don't just enjoy talking to, but feel excited to be around. Maintaining mystery and unpredictability is another essential component. If a woman can predict your every move, there's no excitement. Attraction thrives in the unknown. This doesn't mean playing games, it means not always being immediately available and allowing moments of uncertainty to build intrigue. When you create gaps in communication, she starts to think about you more. If she wonders, "What's he doing? Why hasn't he texted yet?" She's investing emotionally in you without even realizing it. A man who has an exciting life, goals, and passions is naturally intriguing because he's not constantly seeking external validation. Another powerful factor in emotional connection is authenticity and integrity. Women have a strong radar for men who seek approval or change their behavior to please them. If a woman senses that you are bending over backward for her attention, she will lose respect. A man with integrity stands firm in his beliefs, expresses his opinions without fear, and is not easily swayed by outside influences. He sets boundaries and doesn't allow a woman to manipulate him emotionally. This is what creates respect, and respect is foundational for deep attraction. When a woman sees that you live by your own rules, she feels naturally drawn to your strength. Emotional connection is also built through deep conversations and shared experiences. But here's where many men go wrong. They think emotional connection means interrogating a woman with deep questions. It doesn't. It means allowing space for her to open up while also revealing aspects of yourself naturally. Instead of asking, "What's your biggest fear?" in a forced way, share a story about a challenge you faced and how it shaped you. This invites her to share her own experiences. Genuine curiosity, active listening, and remembering small details about her will set you apart from most men who only engage in surface-level conversations. Attraction also flourishes when you balance challenge and validation. Women don't want a man who agrees with everything they say or puts them on a pedestal. They want a man who can challenge them playfully while still making them feel valued. If she says something absurd, call her out on it in a lighthearted way. If she tries to test you emotionally, remain unshaken. At the same time, when she genuinely opens up, make her feel understood and appreciated. This push and pull dynamic is what keeps attraction alive. Ultimately, emotional connection isn't built overnight, nor is it about trying too hard. It's about embodying confidence, unpredictability, integrity, and emotional depth in a way that naturally draws women toward you. When you master these principles, you'll never have to chase attraction. It will come to you effortlessly.